Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, Gurusri Sareddy. Could you please tell me about yourself?
Hello, interviewer. Good morning. My
Good
name
morning.
is Guru Sri Sai Reddy. I am pursuing ECE at I don't have much to tell about me, but I studied my 11th and 12th in Vijayawada, Sri Chaitanya Junior College, and my in secondary education in Kurnool. That's it for about myself. I don't have much.
Okay. Could you please tell me about your weaknesses?
For me, I have many weaknesses. First weakness is money. Money is my weakness, and talking to others is my weakness. Talking to another is my another weakness. But I need to improve that personality to communicate with others. Soon, coming days, I will improve myself. That's it. My weaknesses are. Those are my weaknesses.
Okay, let's move on to Sriram.
Okay, thank you, interviewer.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me, sir.
Nice
Good morning. Very good morning.
Could you please tell me about yourself?
Yeah, fine, sir. I'll tell briefly about myself. I'll describe it. Myself, Sriram. I pursued my BTech degree. I'm pursuing my BTech BE degree from Savita Engineering College. I completed my +2 so Sri Gayatri Junior College, Nellore. Completed my 10th in Nellore itself, Sri Chaitanya School. My hobbies are reading books, playing games, browsing net, and reading some interesting novels, writing novels, etc.
Yeah, okay. Could you please tell me about your strengths?
Yeah, my strengths are I am good at some skills. I will try to improve it by making it. I'll extend the skills and make it in a very good way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move on to Jagdish Reddy.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Jagdish Reddy, and now I'm going to tell about myself. There is there is no much about to tell about myself, and I'm studying my BTech in Savita College, the Parayana Junior College, which is in Nellore, and there is and my hobbies are playing games and browsing internet and reading books, and that's it.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
ask you one question. What are the most important things you are looking in future? That means your current job opportunities.
And get your question, sir. Can you repeat it again? I didn't get your
Sorry?
question.
Saibu.
What are the most important things you are looking for in your next future? Okay, leave it.
Okay, sir.
What are your strengths?
And my strengths are my friends and my family, sir. There is nothing to tell. That's it, sir.
Okay, let's move on to Gurusri Harish Kumar Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell me about yourself?
Myself, Harish Kumar. I am pursuing BE third year in the degree of ECE at Saitya Engineering College. I completed my intermediate at state board only in Narayana Junior College, Tirupati, and my 10th class also state board at Pillar VSN Siddhartha High School. My hobbies are listening music, watching cricket, playing games, and reading books, etc. Hello.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
I want to become a good government officer as a graduate gazetted officer.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, Anil Kumar Reddy.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Hi, Anil Kumar Reddy. Could you please introduce yourself?
Myself, Anil Kumar. I pursue my BTech third year in Savita Engineering College. I studied my intermediate in Narayana Junior College, Nellore, and I studied my 10th in Ratnam High School, Pettapulur. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching cricket.
Hello, Anil. Continue.
Finished, sir.
What are your expectations?
My self expectations are three year.
Okay. Next, Chandra Harish Reddy.
Tell me, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, introducing myself. So I'm E. Chandra Reddy, which I don't want Reddy aside. Introducing myself is not about our education skills or qualifications, but also our aims and our passions, and also everything comes under that introducing ourselves. So telling about me, I'm quite influenced by my social media accounts, especially Twitter. It changed my whole perspective of viewing my life, and also some of my creepy mindsets. So I thank to Twitter, and my friends also object me in some cases. Okay, I will
Okay,
rectify
you're
them
going.
in some.
Okay, leave it. You
Uh,
are going something.
it's not about
What are you
something. It's still me introducing me about myself.
Okay, Harish
So,
Reddy.
okay, tell me, sir.
What are you passionate about?
Doing a passionate work, I am passionate about. Not being an engineer or not being a software employee, like that.
What motivates you, Harish Reddy?
Believing in myself motivates me more than anything. So that's the point.
Okay, Harish Reddy.
That's it.
What makes you unique, Harish Reddy?
What makes me unique? I am not so unique. You can find a lot of people around you too, but the way you think or the way you believe something, that it is always true, that side is always makes me unique, I think, but I'm not unique.
Okay, interviewer.
Okay. Thank you, Harish Reddy, for your
Next, Sai Kumar is waiting. Sai Kumar.
Next, Okay, Reddy. Okay, let's move on. Hello,
I'm Mr.
Kesh.
Rajshekhar.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, hi, my name is Mukesh Reddy. I'm studying BTech third year. I am from Anantapur. I completed my intermediate in Narayana. I studied my schooling in St. Thomas IIT School in Anantapur. My hobbies are playing cricket. That's all. That's all, sir.
Okay. Where do you want to work in? Which position do you want to work? That means developer, tester, manager, like that.
Mm, I want to work. I want to work just not manager, just only.
Okay, thank you, Ukesh. Let's move on to Sai Kumar. Hello, Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar.
I think he's having some network issue.
Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes.
Hello, interval. In the meantime, can I ask you the questions?
Sorry.
Can I be an interviewer to ask you some questions? 2 more questions for you.
Okay.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay. I am Rajshekhar. I am studying BE in Savitha Engineering College. I studied in
Okay, your video is not visible. Your video is not visible.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's a
Oh,
video
continue.
problem. Camera problem.
Okay, continue.
I have studied intermediate in Vignan Cooperative Junior College, Vadimudi.
Okay,
I got
again you
98%.
switch off the video.
It's camera problem.
Okay. Okay, continue, Rajshekhar.
Yeah, I want to work in a software company as a developer.
Okay.
It is goal.
Which develop?
Okay.
Thank you.
Continue. Okay. Next question. Where will be you next 5 years? Where you want to be, and what you want to be?
Maybe team leader. Maybe team leader in a reputed company.
Okay, team leader.
Rajshekhar, can I ask you a question?
No, so anyone.
Okay, next is Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar, where is Sai Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Rajshekhar, ask him questions.
Yeah, he can?
Rajshekhar, can I ask you a question?
No, ma.
Sai
Don't
Kumar,
say like that,
respond.
man. You have to answer for every question.
I am an interviewer, no. I have to ask
Sai
questions, you
Kumar.
have to answer. That is the
By
process.
our
Sai Kumar,
point,
respond.
you are not an interviewer here. You are
If
our
you have
friend.
any doubts, let me know.
No.
It's your responsibility
Okay.
to
Everyone
answer.
switch off their audio, mic. Sai Kumar is there. He want to speak.
Okay, Sai Kumar. Hi, Sai Kumar.
Hi, sir.
Introduce yourself.
I'm from EC.
I think he's having some network issue. Voice is not audible, Sai Kumar. Please make it loud.
Now,
Okay.
is it audible?
Okay. Continue.
Yeah.
Audible.
Continue.
Myself, Sai Kumar. I am pursuing third year in Savitha Engineering College. I am from EC department. I am from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, etc.
Okay, what are your strengths, Sai Kumar?
I can easily convince people. That is my main strength.
Okay. That's it, huh?
That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you. Jagdish Reddy, let's wind up the session.
I have one question. Can I?
Continue,
If you
Sai
are
Kumar.
having any
Continue,
doubts,
Sriram. Continue, Sriram. Any questions? Ask.
if you are having any doubts only, not questions.
Questions or doubts,
Okay,
anything.
doubts.
Yeah.
Doubts only.
If you are having any doubts only, not questions. I am the interviewer, you are the employees. I have to ask question, you have to answer. That's it. That is the process.
From which
Yeah,
company
we
you are
want
belonging to?
There even employees should
Okay, guys, within 10 minutes, the
so we
meeting is
want a
closing.
salary hike, sir.